degrees. However, to save more energy on water heating, consider making the switch to a Marathon electric water heater. Lightweight and durable, Marathon water heaters are among the most efficient models available, capable of providing a lifetime of energy savings and reliability. To learn more about the advantages of installing a Marathon water heater in your home, let's take a look at the technology of a conventional water heater versus Marathon's unique energy-saving features. Here's how a conventional water heater works. The tank is filled with cold water through the dip tube from your home's water supply lines. The water is then heated by a burner or heating element, which stays on until the water reaches the temperature set by your thermostat. As the water temperature increases, the hot water rises above the denser cold water to the top of the tank, where it exits the hot water heater supply pipe, ready for household use. Conventional water heaters typically last 9 to 12 years, depending largely on the condition of the sacrificial anode rod, or sacrificial anode, a magnesium or aluminum rod suspended in the water heater tank to help prevent corrosion. When the sacrificial anode loses its effectiveness, water begins to rust the walls of a conventional steel water heater tank, resulting in a ruptured water heater and costly repairs from a flooded basement, attic, or garage. So how does a Marathon water heater differ from a conventional model? The most notable difference is that the Marathon water heater comes with a manufacturer's lifetime tank warranty. This no-leak promise is made possible by Marathon's unique superior construction, including a seamless, blow-molded polybutylene tank and a filament-wound fiberglass outer tank that allow a Marathon water heater to withstand years of plumbing pressure, as well as the solvent nature of the water. Another key feature of a Marathon water heater is its higher efficiency rating. Marathon water heaters have 4 inches of insulating foam between the tank and the water heater jacket to help maintain water temperature and prevent heat loss. Trademarked EnviroFoam, Marathon insulation contains no ozone-depleting chemicals, making Marathon water heaters a smart choice for consumers interested in environmentally friendly, energy-saving options. So if you're in the market for a new water heater, consider a Marathon. With its longer life, greater efficiency, lighter weight, and lifetime warranty, a Marathon water heater is designed to provide years of energy savings and peace of mind. Better yet, there's nothing to sacrifice. Not an anode rod, your comfort, or your budget. Smart energy, smart choices. Brought to you by Georgia Power.